very important. I hope that it will be tackled in the committee and as well as in the floor. Even my co-members of Lakas committed na mag-co-author sila dito. This is a bill that I filed making it mandatory the requirements of a pre-audit bago babayaran yung project.
That's my next question supposed to be because parating na yung SONA. The SONA last year was the one that brought out the wide interruption flood control. And like what I was saying, that I was wondering, enough ba yung bills or kulang? So
ito nga ang nakikita kong sagot. Kung i-mandatory natin yung pre-audit bago mabayaran yan, siguro mawala na yung projects na actually hindi nagawa or sub-standard masyado na nababayaran.
Paano yung pre-audit?
Well, there will be a technical person who will check on the quality. Person who will also check kung
So,
nasunod yung programs of
natapos
work.
ko yung reprap.
Yes. Puntahan nila ang project mismo. Kung matismo, yung quality ng project. Gaya ng simento. Yung kakapal ng simento, quality ng simento. Kung substandard yung quality ng simento, then possibly, yung decision will be remove and replace. Talagang lugi ng contractors yan. Kung gagawin yan at madidiscover, ay talagang remove and replace with the possible blacklisting. Ito ang difference of pre-audit and post-audit. Yung general basis ng post-audit, yung mga dokumento, makita ng auditor na kung okay naman yung dokumento. Hindi naman natingnan yung project. Bayad. Pumasa. Pagkatapos pala, walang nagawang project. Kasi nag-conspire yung loko-loko na some people in the public works and highways with the contractor and possibly other people like congressmen or senators. Yung or influential businessman. Yung nangyayari dyan. Yung aking bill, the mandatory requirement of pre-audit before payment will be complemented also by geomapping. Lahat ng projects inside the Philippines shall be pictured in the place in the map of the DPWH so that kung i-click mo yung kanilang website, makikita mo ang itong mga project. So, it cannot be considered as 100% correction or prevention of payment of ghost or substandard project. It will be very substantial safeguards na talagang hindi mangyari ang sobrang ghost projects na binayaran ng gobyerno.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.